What is the name of the westernmost point of India located along the marshy coastline of Gujarat?
Guhar Moti in Kutch.
The longitudinal span of India is approximately 30 degrees. What is the approximate local time difference between its easternmost and westernmost points?
2 hours.
Which Indian Union territory is located closest to the equatorial line of latitude?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
What is the exact coordinate value of the southernmost point of Indian territory known as Indira Point?
6 degrees 45 minutes north.
What is the approximate distance from the equator to the southernmost tip of mainland India at Kanyakumari?
876 kilometers.
The absolute length of 1 degree of longitude is highest at the equator. What is its approximate value at 60 degrees latitude?
55.8 kilometers.
What is the true linear value of 1 degree of longitude at the absolute north and south poles?
0 kilometers.
Which system uses a grid network to divide the globe into 60 longitudinal zones of 6 degrees each for tracking high-resolution coordinates?
Universal Transverse Mercator.
The line of longitude used to fix the time zone of the easternmost parts of Russia is located near
180 degrees.
If a ship crosses the international date line sailing from Alaska to eastern Siberia, what calendar adjustment must the crew make?
Advance the date by 1 full day.
If a plane flies across the international date line from Japan to Hawaii, what calendar change occurs?
Repeat the calendar date or go back 1 day.
The concept of universal standard time zones based systematically on 15-degree increments was originally proposed in 1878 by
Sir Sandford Fleming.
Which state of the United States spans across two distinct time zones on its continuous mainland landmass?
Texas.
The prime meridian forms a great circle boundary when paired with which specific line of longitude?
180 degrees.
Which water channel marks the boundary between the Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands along the 10-degree north parallel?
10-degree channel.
The 8-degree channel separates the Indian island of Minicoy from which independent archipelagic nation?
Sri Lanka.
The 9-degree channel is located within which Indian island territory structure?
Lakshadweep Islands.
Which line of latitude forms the official international boundary between Canada and the contiguous United States in the west?
49th parallel north.
The famous 38th parallel north forms the historic and heavily militarized border line between which two countries?
North Korea and South Korea.
The 17th parallel north was historically used to define the boundary separating which divided regions?
North and South Vietnam.
Which parallel of latitude acts as the disputed boundary line between Pakistan and India in the Run of Kutch region?
24th parallel north.
The distance between consecutive parallels of latitude is technically uniform because they are
concentric rings.
the absolute maximum value that a latitude can possibly reach on the surface of the Earth globe is
90 degrees.
What is the correct mathematical formula to calculate the local time difference between two longitudes on Earth?
1 degree equals 4 minutes.
Which city is located at the absolute closest point to the intersection of the prime meridian and the equator?
Accra in Ghana.